Hi you guys, this is Micah Barnes doing a test run with my pals Rue and April. Hi Rue!
Hi April!
Hi April! Yay! Alright, so we're going to do a whole bunch of instructional videos for you guys, the basics of singing. And, so I had Rue and April come by my Singers Playground studio so we could demonstrate correct technical stuff.
Sorry, Harry, right.
Are you scared, really?
No, I think I'll be alright.
You'll be great. Great, so I'll like your diaphragm today.
Okay.
Yeah, so today we're going to look at that. We're going to, basically, when I'm working with a new client, someone will show up on my doorstep and they'll be like in the middle of a tour or in the middle of recording and they lost their voice and they don't know what to do about it, or they have a big show coming up. And the number one fix that always gets people over the hump, right? Because mostly we're tense because we've got this big job to do. And what we want to do is get rid of that tension immediately, So that's going to be your diaphragm. So the idea of a balloon, so today we'll look at that balloon and that diaphragm concept and see if we can't get over that physical tension. Yeah, so you're already there. So, and you and I have already looked at this. So it's actually that I love putting my fingers in just below the rib cage, so you can get a sense of, maybe an inch below the rib cage. A lot of people want to think their diaphragm's their belly.
That was my problem. I was thinking of sticking in here, trying to find the diaphragm. Apparently right there.
Yeah, because it cups the bottom of the lungs. So, you're basically talking about trying to create enough of blowing up a balloon and letting it go. And the reason we have the tongue out is because you want to make sure that there's no throat tension. Right? So try that again. Beautiful. That's it. Only let the air really go.
The only time you'll ever be called beautiful doing
I like it because it's tension free.
Yes, that's a good point.
Try it again. That's it. Shows off the jewelry too.
Sweet.
So that's the first thing. And when you guys are working this at home, your main thing that you want to do is make sure that you're applying pressure to the balloon. So you always have something to work against. Do you know what I mean? It's like, and if you apply your fingers to the balloon, then you'll have something to push against to fill up, and then let the air go. Have patience to go right to the end of your breath. If you stop and you get tense, it's just recreating the tension that's happening for you when you're singing, so you want to stay loose. One more time. Just like a balloon that's emptying. You couldn't do it up, and went all the way around the room. That's pretty good for the first one, eh?
Sounds good.
Huh?
Excellent.
We don't know how to end it, do we?
Leave it going.
Yeah.
As the years go by, we'll be looking back at this pretty photograph of the two of us smiling.
Thank you, April.
Thank you.
No problem.
Thanks, April.